Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am showing you the Curlee box. Now I decided to go for a hair product box. It's just because I like to look after my hair. Well, you know, us ladies, we do like to sort of look after our hair and all of that sort of thing. So I decided, I was like, oh, should I go for a hair product box? Because I fancied a new box to add to my channel because I just like to show you new things. So I thought I will actually go for a hair subscription box. Now then, this is the Curlee box. Sorry, we had a bit of a light problem there. This is the Curlee box and it is £20 a month. You can cancel it at any time, so you're not like beholden to it if you don't want to. I've never had this box before, so I really do not know what is going to be in there. This lighting is super bad, so I'm just going to move my light about. Maybe we'll get it there, and I'll move my camera over here. Right, so that is better lighting, I think, up to now. Maybe it's not. Right, okay, so this is the Curlee box, so I'm just going to unbox it like so. So this one will be the June box. I have opened it that way. Right, okay. Oh, there, it goes like that. Right, so this is it. Yeah, okay, so first of all, I've got some leaflets, like so. Right, now we'll just unbox it like this. And there is the Curlee box. Now then, I emailed the lady and I said to her that like I have like dry hair and it's coloured hair, and she said this box will be ideal for that sort of thing. So I always like to make sure beforehand. I always send them an email like what's my requirements, and she said it's fine. So yeah, that's what I did do. Right, okay, so let's have a look. Let's just see if I've got £20 worth of products in here. Right, so the first item I'm going to pick out is, it is a Cream Nature Argan Oil Moroccan Curl Hold Custard. So it defines it crunch-free curls. Okay, so I've never ever had that before. So it's a curl hold custard. I don't know if that's going to show up, but it's really big tub, and I should just pull them out like normal do. Then we'll have a look at that piece of paper there. Right, so then we have got a Lotta Body Coconut Shear Oil Love Meat 5-in-1 Leave-In Treatment. It detangles, conditions, prevents split ends, add moisture, shine, heat protection, tames the frizz. Oh wow, that's like sounding so amazing. I love a coconut conditioner spray, especially one that will get rid of the frizz and it detangles. Oh wow, that sounds amazing. I like that up to now. And then we have got a Cocoa Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. Oh, this is sounding like my box, my type of box, because it's like a coconut repair hair conditioner and treatment because I have damaged hair. So yeah, this is looking really good. It's made in America. That's what's standing out to me, but just because it's made in America doesn't mean it's going to be fabulous. But you know, there is some fabulous beauty products comes from America. Just look at that, looks really good. This is called the Aunt Jackie's Curl Coils, and it just says directions on clean hair, damp hair, apply generous amount all over the hair, making sure the hair is coated from root to ends. It's an intensive repair treatment. So it says cover the hair with a plastic cap and sit under a warm hooded dryer for 10 minutes. Well, I don't have one of them, but I will try this without doing that probably. Yeah, so there. I just want to see if there's any nasty ingredients in there, but There doesn't seem to be, so that's looking pretty good. Right, okay, so then the other item, what we've got in this month's box is the new free from alcohol, parabens, silicone, mineral oil, petroleum or something like that. It's a black castor oil, flaxseed oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, styling gel. Oh, that sounds amazing too. I'm super happy with this box. It's like, oh Jesus, that looks amazing. I do like the look of that. Right, okay, so we have got some samples as well. I'm super happy with this box. It's like, yeah, I will definitely be getting this box again. So happy with it. You have the right. So this is a styling sample. It's the Spiralicious styling gel, and this provides an all-day hold and frizz control for all hair types. And it just says apply evenly to soak in wet hair and scrunch to encourage curls, or finger comb to elongate. Oh wow, super happy with that. But we got a sample, I like that one, and we've got like a few samples in here. So this one is the Destination Exotic Shine. It's an argan oil heat protector, smooth and shine, blowout cream. Right, there we go. And then we have got a, what are you? You are the Purelicious Core Wash Cleansing Conditioner by Argan Oil. So there we go. You see it? These look amazing. So this is sulfate free and it's colour safe. So perfect for coloured hair. And then we got like, it just is a card, and it is like a, what it has is you have the right to remain curly. Just curl. Hair care products for curly hair. Wavy, curly, kinky. Well, mine does have a natural kink to it, so it's like, yeah, that's what mine is. Mine's a bit troublesome. It's a troublesome hair. I don't know if you have like the perfect hair, but I do not have the perfect hair. Some days it's like really takes a long time to get it to go straight. So yeah, and it says this is cleanse without stripping, condition without being heavy, style without build up, free from sulfates and silicones and drying hair. So yeah, I really have to get my shampoo without sulfates in it or parabens in it, because it just actually, that really does make it worse. If I get a cheap shampoo, oh my god, my hair hates it. So I have to go a little bit out with these hair products. This, yeah. Right, okay, so this is the deep conditioner, which is, does it not give me the price? I'll have to put the price in. So this Cocoa Repair Deep Conditioner is effective at softening dry, damaged hair on clean, damp hair. Apply a generous amount all over the hair, making sure your hair is coated from roots to ends. Leave on for 5 minutes. Want to intensify the DC? Leave on with indirect heat for 10 minutes, then rinse all traces of the mask from hair. Right, okay, so let's just have a little look at it. Oh wow, it smells really coconutty, and it just looks like that. It's like super. That's a really like super conditioning. That's going to be amazing. Right, so I'm just going to pop that on there and just pop a little bit on, just to get rid of it off my hands. But yeah, that I can tell instantly that's going to be amazing on my hair. I love it. So that is that one. Then the next one is this one, which is a Lotta Body Coconut Shear Oils. So this is a leave-in conditioner. Now I absolutely love a leave-in conditioner. They're amazing. So this one is selected for the summer box. As it leaves your hair soft, brilliant shine, as well as heat protection. Amazing. Love it. Heat protection spray on damp hair. Towel dried hair distribute evenly through hair with fingers from roots to ends, then style as desired. Okay, so let's just have a little look at it. So, oh, I don't want to lose my nail. I can smell, it's like coconutty. Oh, it smells gorgeous. I do like that. Love it. Yeah, just put a bit on that. On the ends of my hair. It smells really nice. It smells like you're in a tropical place. Like tropical, like Hawaii, I don't know. I'm just getting the scent of tropical with that. It smells amazing. Love it. So that is that one. Then the next one we have got is this one, and this one is the Cream Nature Argan Oil, and it's a moisturizer defining curl styler that delivers long-lasting hold for crunch-free curls with exotic shine and styling product which defines and elongates your hair. So wow. And it looks like this inside. It's like a custardy looking sort of substance. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. That has got an amazing scent to it. It's like a really nice, clean scent to it. It's just like a scent that I could just smell all day. It's beautiful. I love the scent of that. Really nice. And so that is that. And then the next item, what we got is this one, which is the, what are you? You are the soften free. So this is the hair gel. So this is a styling gel. This gel is a great styler for wash and goes. For twist out styles, shine, non-flaky and non-tacky formula that is free from drying alcohols in its silicone and paraben and mineral oil and petroleum free. I did not know if I said that right. I think it's petrolatum. Anyway, so that is that. So this is it just says the Curlee's welcome to the June Curlee box. As the summer approaches, we have selected products for moisturizer, protection and styling. This deep conditioner is perfect as a first line defense in maintaining softness and keeping dryness at bay when the sun is out. Also check out the sample bonuses at the bottom of your box. I am blown away by this box. I'm super blown away by it. It's amazing, and yes, I will be getting next month's box because I absolutely love the products that we got in this month's box. So I'll show you this one, which is the styling gel. Oh wow, that smells like aloe vera. I get the scent of aloe vera with that one, but it's really nice. So let's just have a look at it. So yeah, that is definitely a styling gel. So yeah, we'll just have a little go of it. So yeah, you could actually style your hair with it, and it actually adds so it keeps it in place. So it's not going to blow away or blow about when you've got the car, you've got the window down. You don't want your hair to blow about. You want to keep it sort of still, and that's actually brilliant. It's actually not making my fringe dry at all. Like how some gels dry it out and it's like sticky, and it's like it just won't. It's a horrible feeling when your hair is sticky. I hate it. But that one is not doing that at all. It's amazing. That is my favourite hair gel up to now. So yeah, I cannot praise this box enough. It's absolutely amazing. It is worth the £20 I pay for it. I don't know the prices of these products, but I know that it's going to be better than you know, it's going to be more than £20 worth. So yeah, if you liked my unboxing of this, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video for my next review. I don't know what it's going to be, but you will find out. Bye bye.